This is Banff National Park, home to many mountains, lakes, and glaciers. It is undoubtedly one of Canada's finest places to visit, which might explain why I got a little excited in this clip. Oh my god! But first, let me back up to how we got to Banff. After I spent 24 hours trying to fly to Montana, which was my last video, you should go check that out, my dad and I drove up to Canada the next day, which is where this video begins. Driving from Montana to Banff is about a 7-hour drive, where the majority of the time the scenery is boring countryside until huge rocky mountains appear. Banff. So right there looks to be some sort of ore mining facility. I wanted to come here since I was probably 12 or 13. While it is frozen, it is still absolutely stunning. I'm actually going to FaceTime my mom because she doesn't know I'm here. So it'll be interesting to see her reaction, but it's incredible. What's up, Mom?
Oh my god, Soren. Where are you?
This is Alberta, Canada.
This is crazy.
I know it's crazy. That's why I'm FaceTiming you. This is kind of just one of those places that, you know, you really, really want to go to, and then finally you get here and you see it for what it is. I love how quiet it is. There's not a single person out there, and that's so incredible. So I am walking back now because I am cold. The next morning, we woke up early before sunrise to hike up to the top of Peyto Lake. This is one of the most picturesque places I've ever been in. I want to get up here because no cars in the parking lot is a good sign that this place will be all to ourselves. Now, Peyto Lake is the #1 lake I've wanted to see in Banff ever since I've dreamt of coming here as a kid. I started to worry that we had missed the sunrise as the sky kept getting brighter, so I started running until finally I'm approaching the lookout of Peyto Lake. Oh my god! Yo! That is Peyto Lake, and we are now leaving. I actually thought that we would miss the sunrise, but as it turns out, mountains are pretty tall, and it takes a long time for the sun to come up above the mountains. That is a bucket list destination off my list. After sunrise, we went to get food and relax for most of the day, before heading back out again to shoot sunset overlooking the town of Banff. The next morning, we drove into British Columbia in an attempt to visit a waterfall, which unfortunately was closed because of heavy snow blocking the way. Instead, we drove back to Lake Louise and hiked up to see the lake from above.
Girl, you think you got it bad. Girl, you think you got
back. This walk back is going to be very slippery because most of it is downhill. It's just this first part up here that's uphill, and then the rest of it is downhill. Oh shit! Whoa shit! Oh shit! Whoa! That's Lake Louise. There's a lot of ice skaters and hotel and things like that over there. It's pretty packed, but if you come at like sunrise, sunset, less so. But middle of the day, it's pretty packed. Later that day, we drove 3 hours north to the town of Jasper, where we arrived at a frozen lake for sunset. We went back to the same lake that night for astrophotography, and this was the photo I captured. The next morning, we woke up early and hit the road before sunrise back to Montana, which from Jasper was a 9-hour drive. That night in Montana, the northern lights came out in the sky. I didn't film them, but these are the photos I captured. Banff and Jasper are some of the most naturally stunning places in the world. If you decide to visit, make an effort to do so before the tourist season arrives. I'll surely revisit Canada's most stunning places again, but I'm still so glad that I could see it at least once in my life.